Welcome friends to my channel. I'm so happy to come back. So I've got beautiful collections today. Lot of my exclusive ones, mind you. So keep watching, enjoy yourself. Let me know your views about my sarees, my designs. So let's start friends. So the exclusive ones, my kathas, greenhouse kathas. The red, this is that Mera Wala red, that is the beautiful red. The first sari of this episode is a gorgeous katha. Look at this piece, let me open out and give you a complete look of the sari. See, this is so gorgeous, all throughout, very heavily done up, and uniform stitches with single thread. It's greenhouse katha. Look at the intricate festivity is shown. Villagers are enjoying their harvest festival. So very beautiful. The color, go for the color, dear. Send me a screenshot. Lucky you are if you get hold of this sari. This is really good silk. This is all on Bishnupur silk, Katan. Look at the sari. Look at the stitches. 10,800 for this piece. Oh my, this is so good. 10,800. I'm going slow. Watch carefully. Pin me, WhatsApp me, send me a screenshot, whichever piece you've liked. This is an experimental. দেখুন কাঁথাটা, all clamp dyeing, very exclusive dyeing. এটা দেখুন, the stitches, look at this workmanship. The episode, this episode is 87th episode. Goodness, long been with you all. 11,000 taka dam. Look at the sari. I will show you the blouse section also. Let me open out. It's a very smart one. Usually kathar moton noy, ekটু different look. This is the tie and dye concept. This is for 11,000. And they are all on Gachi Toshor. They are all on, they are not silk tussar mixed, anything, they are not blended. They are Gachi by Gachi. Look at this. Look at the beautiful katha on Gachi Toshor. The motifs are so clear with the stitches. Feel করলে বোঝা যায় কাঁথার ফল এত ভালো হবে, so beautiful. It is all dyed. And this portion we have kept beige in color. Some fan is on or what? It's not, it's giving a. Is it visible? Clearly you enjoy the katha watching. Look at the workmanship. I am showing it closely so that you could see the actual fineness of the work. This is number 3, 10,400, 10,400 worth this piece. Pujo asche, you have to pick up fast. I've got lovely collection this time. One more katha, all exclusive pieces. They're all in-house designs on Gachi Toshor. Number 4, we've kept the base color as it was, and with an orange and pink combination which is in now, orange and Rani pink. Open it out. This is the geometrical part, is very interesting. Let me drape it for you. You could see the fall of the sari. This is the fall. So very beautiful. Look very classy, very elegant pieces I'm showing you this time. This is Gachi by Gachi. They are all handloom products. Very smart one. This goes for 12,000 dear. 12,000 for this piece. The design is lucrative, beautiful one. Darun Shundur. This is the all over one. On Gachi Toshor. This is a dyed piece on Gachi Toshor. Look at this. Look at this. See? This is all densely done up, all throughout. So very beautiful, especially the colors, violet and blue mixed up. Now I would like to drape the sari. This has lot of work this time. The half the sari is full of work. Kothao theke that air is coming and it's blowing all my stuff. Look at this sari, a very heavy one. And all throughout the half portion of the sari is, this sari is 12,000. Pick up this sari for 12,000 only. Number 6, all on Gachi Toshor. The fish motif, which is very popular from Greenhouse. Joda Mach, very festive, Shubho. Quality is Greenhouse quality. The whole sari has this kind of motif. They are in pair. Vishwan Mangolic. And you could wear this with the red blouse. We've given a tussar one. I could dye it for you and give you. এটাও একটা গাছি তসর। This is all reverse কাঁথা। যে জায়গাটা কাঁথা করার কথা সেটা ছেড়ে কথা হয়েছে, সেগুলো তাই বলা হয় এটাকে রিভার্স কাঁথা। ব্রাইট এন্ড বিউটিফুল। বিয়েতে গিফট করুন, এল্ডারলি পিপল, শাশুড়ি মা, সেই রকমের জন্য একটা গিফটের জন্য সুন্দর শাড়ি বিয়েতে দিতেই হয়। অনেক প্রণামী, এসব শাড়ি ভালো দেবে। 11,000 for this beautiful কাঁথা piece. Sapling done up with red. এটা দেখুন কি সুন্দর আঁচল part, and this is interesting. We've given a jacket blouse with the saree. এটা তো পছন্দ করেই নিন, এটা যার দেবার আছে বিয়েতে এগুলো দিয়েই দেয়া যায়। ভেরি ফেস্টিভ, ভেরি বিউটিফুল। স্ক্রিনশট পাঠান যদি পছন্দ হয়। একদম ফার্মলি ডিসাইড করুন, তারপরেই আমাকে স্ক্রিনশট পাঠাবেন, যাতে অন্য কেউ যেন মিস না করে শাড়িটা। থ্যাংক ইউ। দিস শাড়ি কস্ট 11,000। 11,000 টাকার শাড়ি দেখালাম আমি, লাইক দিস। Here comes my tussar Banarasi. Pure tussar from Chapa, tussar Banarasi. They are not from Banaras. Chapar tussar Banarasi. একটু fusion করা হয়েছে to brighten up the sari. These are the fusion work to brighten up the sari. Otherwise it will look monotonous, so we thought of giving our touches for this saree. Beautiful motif, look at this, all zari motif, and to brighten up the whole thing we have given these touches with this zari look. So very beautiful eguloর জন্যে। This saree costs 9,600 dear. This is from Chapa, and we've done little fusion with this zari. This is for 9,600. You could pair with an orange blouse or a rani one, whichever you wanted. Look at this. This costs only 9,600. দারুণ শাড়িটা, steel grey in color. Again a fusion, little bit here and there. I must do it. Otherwise greenhouse will not be greenhouse then. Small, these are all fusion work on tussar. Otherwise it will be all monotony. Look at this tussar Banarasi, all woven, hand woven ones, hand weave, and the color, see for yourself, color dekhun. Look at this palla portion, so heavily done up. This sari costs 11,000. A handloom, hand woven one from Champa, and with the blouse. Look at the blouse, tassel blouse, and little bit of fusion work. এই দুটো আমাদের concept using. Let me see. Hey, look at this. This is a Madhubani. I had a Madhubani, black and white Madhubani. And the sari I made into a special one with my ideas, doing up the peacocks and the flowers with very rich zari work. I wanted to name the sari as Madhubani Banarasi. Let it be Madhubani Banarasi. These are all my concept saris. একটু দেখুন, নিজের ইচ্ছেতে নিজের ডিজাইনস তৈরি করি, and I'm happy. অনেকে খুব পছন্দ করেন. Let me show the whole sari. Look at this sari. জানি না অতটা সুন্দর দেখা যাচ্ছে কিনা, সামনে থেকে তো ভারী সুন্দর লাগছে আমার। এটা একটু ভালো করেই দেখাও। Madhubani Banarasi. Madhubani Banarasi is integration. Jai bhavun apnara. This is what I have done, and I'm happy. This goes for 22,000 dear. All handmade ones. They're all handmade. The best of zaris. You have any problem with your saris, come back to us. We'll polish it for you. We will dry wash whatever services you want from us. We'll be happy to share with you. This goes for 22,000. And this is the old time favorite 11 number shari. This is on Bangalore silk. There all are Ari work. Very popular design. Still in demand. I keep making in various colors, and every time whatever I make, somebody or the other has to like. Look at this work. 10,600. প্রচুর দিনের পুরানো ডিজাইন, but it is valued. আজ অবধি এটার ভীষণ ডিমান্ড. Look at this. And the blouse section, same color. Dear, you give a like, or you please give your valuable comments. I enjoy going through all those comments. That is motivating me actually. The pink one, and this is Parsi Jali work of greenhouse. Parsi Jali work. All are in-house designs. It's not exactly trading. We make our saris. This is number 12. This is on Kosa Tasar. Zari border Kosa Tasar. very good quality. The width of the sari you can always see. Look at the width of the sari, and the length is 6.5 meters. The sari costs 12,000 taka. This is 12,000, lot of motifs, densely done up. সুন্দর সুন্দর শাড়ি দেখালাম, you must make it. দেখুন পুজোর আগে, come to us. Both the stores are open. The Keatala one and the Tollygunge metro station, 14 Tollygunge metro station is also kept open for us. And guess what I am showing now? This is the Lambani work on tussar. Lambani on tussar, and we've put, guess, we've put hand painted kalamkaris from Machilipatnam. Look at this kalamkari work. So this Kachi tussar is from Bengal. This work is from Maharashtra, and this is from Andhra. Lot of integration. This shari very fantastic, and this goes for 13,000 because this is also an expensive one. And this workmanship and the tussar itself. So I'll take 13,000 for this sari. 13,000 taka dam, and get up dekhun shari steals the show. Acholtai is wonderful. Look at this, and all throughout Lambani booties. This is number 13. On Gachi Toshar, today I have shown all Gachi by Gachi Toshar. None of them are mixed or blended. They are all fantastic tussars. Look at the Parsi work. दारुण सुंदर सुंदर काज देखिए फिल्म. पूजो लोकेशन. একটা তো बनता है, একটা তো নিতেই হবে. Exclusive sarees 11,600. শাড়ি নিন, অনেক যত্ন করে আমরা শাড়ি তৈরি করছি. 11,600. প্রত্যেকটা শাড়ির মধ্যে এটা ভাবনা চিন্তা আছে. এটাও একটা রেড ব্লাউজ দিয়ে, and we have given the border of the Parsi work. Oh, this is the last piece, but the best one. Very nice. This is on, again, a tussar, checkered tussar. These are all our creations. কোনো শাড়িটাই কোথাও থেকে কালেক্ট করা নয়. These are like this. Look at the cutwork section. Kalamkari, hand painted kalamkari effect. And the sari, let me drape the sari and again একবার ভালো করে দেখিয়ে দিই. লাস্ট শাড়ি একটু সুন্দর সুন্দর শাড়ি করিয়েছি. ব্লাউজটাও ফ্যান্টাস্টিক ব্লাউজ. Look at the workmanship. And the sari. এরকম হয়. This is priced only 8,200. 8,200. Pick up. ভীষণ সুন্দর সুন্দর. যত শাড়ি নেবেন বুঝতে পারবো আমি এখনো কাজ করতে কতটা পারবো. 8,200. অনেক শাড়ি দেখিয়েছি আজকে. এবার আসতে হবে. You have to make it to Greenhouse. We are at Tollygunge metro station as well as Keatala store. Keatala store is 452B Keatala road. So come down. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you so much for the day.